Good evening to one and all, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I would like to introduce one new software that is Statecraft. It is the cloud-based software, and one of the benefit is that we have not to install the software in our computer like we are installing R or SPSS. It is just working on a website. We have to just type a website, and the website is statecrafttest.com. We would be given different user ID and password. Like for example, my user ID is this Rohit underscore. I would be working on it. So I would be showing you more about this software. So this is the basic view of the statecraft, and one thing I just want to highlight that this software is made in India. So this is one of the thing like Sir Narendra Modi has said that we have to use whatever is Swadeshi. So this is a Swadeshi software. This is the basic menu of the software. Here, the data, we can import it, we can prepare a new data set, and it is really easy. I just want to give one example of preparing new data set. Like I just want to write, I am preparing new data set. I am writing my name. I am just writing table description data. I am just giving it OK. So this is my data. I just have to add the variable and values and all the things. Like for example, it is very easy. I would be making my data by adding name. So name has been taken in some other data. So we have to update the things like for example, I will write name 01. So it is acceptable. Now this would work it on and automatically it would detect what type of data is. Like name data is string data, nominal values would be there. Again, I would be adding one variable that is marks. So marks would be numeric data and it is scale data. Again, one more thing, gender. So again, gender would be nominal data, string data. So same way we can add the variables and after that, this is the main tab. Here, these five things are there. We have to see where our data is. So when we want to see where our data is, so table plays a role of index. Like now I have made a data that was named Rohit. So it is available here. So when I will select this data, it will show me the table. Still anything is not there because I had just made the variable. If I want to add the things, then this thing I had to activate, the pencil thing, I had to activate it and I can work on it. Like for example, I'm just clicking on plus. I can add many variables as much I require. So for example, my first student is Rohit, that is myself. I got marks that is 35 out of 50. My gender is male. Similarly, I would add my second student that is Divya. I would give marks 40 out of 50. Her gender is female. We can make our data and this is very easy software. It can also fetch the CSV file from our desktop. Now I would show you what kind of test this uh, software is capable of and what is the basic you can say USP of the software. So basically I would do t-test. So this is one data set which I had prepared. In it there is a average of Vento. I am using Ventoga. So average of Vento I had taken from the research from 10 different persons. Even I have taken the data of Vento diesel from 10 different people. So now company is claiming that Vento petrol is giving minimum average of 15 kilometers and Vento diesel is giving the average of 20 kilometers. So now we will check the claim. Basically t-test is doing the same thing. It is just comparing the mean of the data, sample mean, with population mean. So now we will do t-test. So this many tests are available. So t-test, one sample t-test into petrol. I am adding the variable. If I want to do two side, I can do two side. If I want to do greater, less, it is available in software. The sample mean is 15 kilometer for petrol. I would just click OK and result would be displayed. See, this is the difference between other softwares and this software. It gives a better table. It gives R code. See, this is most useful thing. Those who are learning R, they don't remember the codes. So this software, while you are testing the thing, while they are giving the data, it also gives R code with it. So now I will introduce this software, that how much test or what is the range of the test this software can do. So basically, as I have said, data can be imported, new data set can be prepared. We can normalize the data and all these things can be done. We can directly detect the outliers. We can do descriptive tests, that is, we can count on frequency and all the mean, median, mode test can be done. We can compare groups. So here parametric and non-parametric test can be done. We can test our data to normality, that is Shapiro-Wilk test to conglomerate, Simno test, and all the tests are available. We can run regression. So correlation, linear regression, binomial and multinomial regression can be done over here. We can do clustering also, k nearest neighbor, that is k means hierarchical cluster. Some part of machine learning has also been added, that is CART, neural network C5.0. Time series data can be run, like ARIMA model can be run, simple exponential smoothing can be done. Survival analysis can also be done. Cox regression, survival curve can be found out. Dimension, that is, we can reduce the factor. Discriminant analysis, personal component analysis can be done. Different types of graphs can be plotted here. So this is a basic test, we can do it. So thank you for your support.